The movie Up is one of my favorites. And when Lego put out this kit for the Up house, I just knew I had to buy it. I had never put together a Lego kit before, and so this was a fun new thing for me to try. So in the box there's 4 different sections that you need to put together, and each comes in a separate bag. So I will do a quick time lapse, not of every step, but just the highlights of each section, and then show you the end result.
Good afternoon. My name is Russell, and I am a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12. Are you in need of any assistance today, sir?
No.
I could help you cross the street.
No.
I could help you cross your yard.
No.
I could help you cross your porch.
No.
Well, I gotta help you cross something.
No, I'm doing fine.
See these? These are my Wilderness Explorer badges. You may notice one is missing. It's my Assisting the Elderly badge. If I get it, I will become a senior Wilderness Explorer.
By receiving their badges, the following explorers will graduate to senior explorers. For assisting the elderly, Russell, is there someone that...
Excuse me. Pardon me. Old man coming through. I'm here for him. Russell, for assisting the elderly and for performing above and beyond the call of duty, I would like to award you the highest honor I can bestow. The Ellie Badge.
My name is Doug. I have just met you, and I love you. Squirrel.
I finally completed the house. It wasn't too hard. I guess Legos, you don't have to be a kid to be able to complete it, huh? And I really love the exterior and the interior and all the characters. It looks really cute. I ended up putting it on the shelf in my craft room. And it's there to remind me that
Adventure is up there!
Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.